Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. We've been waiting on this for a while. The Nova is done. We're about to go pick it up at SOS, and we're gonna head straight from there to the wheel shop, get those nice Riddler wheels put on, bring that car back home. So let's go, guys. Got Derek Sizemore over here. We just picked the Nova up from Jeff, and we ain't got flat tire. That ain't it. We fixing it up. Check it out. Guys, we just got back to the house. Very tickled with this car. Just had to get a shower. I was hot. So these are the old wheels off of the Nova. The ones that Ken was telling me to keep They are for sale. And there you go, Ken. That is why I went chrome. That is why I went chrome. Look at that chrome with the trim, guys. This car is just sick with the lip. That's an 8.5-inch wheel that has a lip like that. It's just, I could not be more happy with the way it turned out with the black and chrome. The trim is not on the car, if you guys can't tell. We had to get the clips to put it back on, so we're gonna put it back on pretty soon and go from there. Like I said, this is it. Fires right up still. To give a big shout out to Don and Jeff. Look, it's got brand new seals in it. You gotta slam it because them seals are new, but big shout out to SOS, to Shop SOS, Don and Jeff on the paint job, and they really hooked me up, and they did not have to do that. I really do appreciate what they do, but we are a team. We work together, and just want to say shout out to Josh and Doug, all y'all, anybody had anything to do with it, Daniel. Thanks for what y'all done to help me with this dream of mine, this project car of mine, and teamwork makes a dream work, as they say, and it made my dream come true. I've got my dream car right here, guys. I just don't even know what to say right now. I'm kind of speechless. So I just don't even know what to say, guys. Like I said, it fires right up still after setting that long. Fires right back up just like always. Really debating on whether I want to put the 6.0 in it or not. I don't know what I'm going to do with the car. The original plan was twin turbo LS. Not real sure because there could be a little loophole coming up. I can't explain to that right now. Just know there's big things coming on the channel if everything goes right. May not, but if everything goes right, and we might have something else. But stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't liked, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go subscribe. More Nova, Coyote, and LS content. Guys, have a good one.